Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel Uber One subscription, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, and let's get started. So to do so, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to go ahead and open up your particular Uber app that you have installed. Once you have opened your app, this is how the interface is going to look like. Let's cross this out. First of all, go to home section, and this is here you will land afterwards. Now from over here, simply navigate to the option of account at the bottom right. Now from over here, go to this option of settings given over here, and now from this account section you will find this kind of interface. Tap on this option of manage subscription. Once you have got yourself any subscription, in this area you will find the manage subscription section. Tap on it and click on the Uber One subscription. Tap on cancel subscription, and then you will be able to cancel it. You might need to go through some verification process to confirm it. Go ahead, do the additional step, and you're good to go. That's how we do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.